Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, I'm going to show you how to use Trello Labels, from beginner basics to advanced techniques, so you can organize your boards like a pro. First, open your browser and go to Trello.com. Once you're in, navigate to a board you've been working on. This helps us work with real examples. On your board, you'll see cards representing tasks or projects. Click on a card and then click on a label. Labels are great for highlighting the status, priority, or category of a task. Now, let's get a bit more advanced. Trello allows you to customize your labels by changing their colors and adding a title. Choosing meaningful titles is key. They make it easy for anyone viewing the board to understand a task's status or priority at a glance. Once you've set your colors and titles, click Save to lock in your changes. Your customized labels are now visible to everyone on your board, making project tracking smoother and more intuitive. Keep experimenting with different color and title combinations until you find a setup that works best for your workflow. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.